AGS-1632 AHD, ACER 3-axis precision automatic surface grinder. 12 great reasons to go ACER AGS-1632 AHD grinder. 1. 7.5 horsepower V3 graded motor for vibration-free for heavy grinding. 2. Cartridge type spindle with 4 pieces class 7 bearing for precision grinding. Guarantee 1/10 inch spindle runout. 3. Fully ribbed and reinforced high column designed to ensure the highest rigidity during heavy grinding. 24.5 inches from tabletop to the center of spindle. Extra wide saddle is 41 inches. It always covers the maximum table travel. Machine is heavily casted with 6,200 pound net behind-eye casting to ensure heavy-duty grinding. 4. Longitudinal table slideway is 1 V and 1 flat. Extra wide 37.5 inches crossfeed or double V way. Both are laminated with Turcite B to obtain anti-friction for smooth table movement. 5. Ball screw on saddle for smooth crossfeed movement. 6. Rapid elevation is standard for easy loading and unloading or quick setup on downfeed control. 7. All AGS series hydraulic tank are dual pump design. It can keep downfeed pressure constant. It allows for accurate downfeed and smooth table movement. Auto downfeed pressure can be adjusted after many years of operation. 8. 30-gallon large volume tank to control temperature rising and avoiding change of viscosity of hydraulic oil to ensure accurate downfeed for a long-run operation. 9. Mechanical pod type downfeed system provides accurate downfeed from 1/10 to 1/1000 increment. Increment can be changed during grinding. This system is designed with simple operation and easy maintenance in mind. 10. 24-volt control panel is laid out section by section, easy for users to understand. 11. Electrical cabinet is systematically laid out. All wires are color-coded and numbered. Therefore, it is the easiest to maintain and repair. 12. ACER offers the best accessories package and full 1-year warranty. The generous package includes 1. Parallel dresser for convenient wheel dressing. 2. Magnetic chuck and chuck control, which you can adjust, hold power, and auto-release parts easily. 3. Halogen light included. 4. Balancing stand and Arbor standard. 5. Magnetic separator with paper filter coolant system for cleaning coolant to achieve a nice grinding finish. With more than 30 years of grinding experience, ACER AGS grinders are built for easy operation and easy maintenance. Hundreds of durable ACER AGS-1632 AHD grinders are running every day to produce the accurate parts customers need. Choose ACER grinders. Join with the hundreds of satisfied customers. We hope your next grinder will be ACER.